morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Tuesday, March 17th. The euro rose 0.64% against the US dollar and closed at 1.057 to 1. Yesterday, the ECB announced that it has spent 9.75 billion euros buying government bonds in the first week of its program to pump in more than 1 trillion euros in the European economy till September 2016. Separately, the ECB President Draghi opened that the sustained economic recovery in the Eurozone was taking hold and added that the confidence among firms and consumers in the region was on the rise. The pair is expected to find support on 1.0500 and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.0438. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.0623 and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.0683. Trading trends in the euro today are expected to be determined by Germany's ZDW economic sentiment coupled with the Eurozone CPI data scheduled in a few hours. The British pound rose 0.48% against the US dollar and closed at 1.4825. The pair is expected to find support at 1.4761 and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.4701. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.4868 and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.4915. Trading trends in the pound today are expected to be determined by global macroeconomic news. The US dollar traded a tad higher against the Japanese yen and closed at 121.37. Earlier today, the Bank of Japan, in a much expected move, maintained its massive stimulus program at an annual pace of 80 trillion euros and also reiterated its upbeat assessment of the Japanese economy, indicating that the nation was on the path of recovery from the recession without additional monetary loosening. However, the central bank offered a slightly more downbeat view on the inflation outlook, though it stressed the slowdown in inflation was due to declining oil prices. The pair is expected to find support at 121.13 and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 120.89. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 121.58 and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 121.78. The Australian dollar strengthened 0.18% against the US dollar to close at 0.7643. Earlier today, the minutes of the Reserve Bank of Australia from its recent monetary policy meeting suggested that there was a possibility of more monetary easing in the nation, despite the central bank's increasing concerns about the nation's housing markets. The minutes also revealed that the Aussie had been depreciated, but still remained overvalued. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7598 and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.7569. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.7669 and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.7711. Going forward, market participants await the release of Australia's Westpac leading index data scheduled overnight. Gold prices traded lower by 0.12% against the US dollar at $1154.30 per ounce as the Fed gears up to meet and decide whether to raise interest rates in the US sooner or not. The pair is expected to find support at 1148.16 and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1141.73. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1162.16 and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1169.73. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMate app right now and receive daily market information, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options and more, covering a wide range of markets including energy, metals, indices and forex, among others. Trade easily, trade successfully. For more information on CommexFX TradeMate app, kindly visit our main website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channels. Have a great trading day.